Para nag-ano sila. Wow. Para may tournament sila guys ng motor. Nag-road trip din ng mga motor. Ramdam ko na guys yung snow, yung lamig from the snow. From the snow. Have people also there, oh. There's all the traffic. Tignan nyo guys, yan. Tapos yung ano niya, where is it? Not there? Not there? Not there? But the people is there going there. But the people is going there. No?
Yes, what you call me no go to the side.
Ah, okay.
And go?
No, it's okay. We are here, baby.
No, I changed the car.
No, no, no.
But I'm scared for the car.
Yes, yes, good, bravo. I'm scared also. Don't go there. Important is I can see the
Scared for what?
yes, yes. Guys, nandito kami sa mountain, sa bukid. Nag-stop muna kami, guys. Napadaan kami dito dahil maraming sasakyan na nakapila. So sabi ko sa kanya, stop muna tayo, titingnan natin kung anong meron dito. Kasi daming sasakyan. Wala namang snow, pero daming sasakyan nag-stop. So, curious lang kami, guys. Char. May pa-curious pa talaga. Ayan o. Nandun na yung asawa ko, yung tour guide ko. Ayan o. Ewan ko kung restaurant ba dito dahil maraming sasakyan. Ayan o, maraming mga sasakyan na nakapila. Nakapila, nakapark. Wala namang snow. Diba guys? Ayan o. Yun yung isa. So, titingnan lang namin kung anong mayroon dito. Wala namang restaurant. May nakita kaming dalawang tao dito papunta dun sa itaas. Pero ewan ko kung anong mayroon. May karatula naman pero walang nakalagay na anong have also in down. It's very cold. Look. But have nothing here. But have nothing here. Yes, mono. What is this mono hati?
Adios Theodorus.
Ah,
Monopati, this cities. Monopati, let's see.
just on the walk. Guys, ito yung road trip namin ngayong araw. Ikot-ikot lang guys. Hindi na namin nakita yung snow. Kaya paikot-ikot na lang. Ayan. Pero maganda siya guys. Yan yung ano niya, yung way. Oh, ayan. Kahit nakakatakot pero we are in the good hands of God. We are always here from God. God protect us. God protect us. We are going to another destination. Right, hon? Second na pinuntahan namin guys. Ngayong araw. Oh, ayan. Puro mountain. Mountain yung trip namin ngayon, guys. Kahit hindi nakaano sa snow, at least nakita namin pa rin yung view. Dito na rin kami kumain, guys. So, yan yung asawa ko. Kumain. Good eat, Chucho. Yan. Ako tapos na rin akong kumain, guys. Yan. Nagpinsing ako yan. Yan. Marami ng mga sasakyan. Puro mountain, puro mountain, oh. Yun, mountain na yun, oh, may mga butas siya, guys.